Season 2, Episode 28, Revisiting the Terrific Singer 201. Is the Singer 201 sewing machine the best sewing machine ever? You see, I don't sew. That begs the question, can a non-sewer give a solid opinion about a tool that they don't use? Is it enough to say it is the best because what? Do you see my dilemma? Would I be able to give a truer synopsis of the machine if I did so? Maybe it is high time I learned to sew. I would venture to speculate that most collectors may not know how to sew. Restorers usually have a number of machines. Restorers are collectors. Besides, my 201 is still unusable right now. It is unassembled. There is another Singer 201 that I may have the opportunity to acquire. For sewing right now, there is the 221K. Then again, there is Mint Magic, the beautiful 319K. 319K with its beautiful light mint green color. Wonderful machine, especially with the very unique keys, the piano levers, quite commonly called the piano machine. The classic 301A, a legend in its own right. Another aspect I enjoy about these vintage sewing machines is that they film and photograph so well. There is a vintage lineage here, the 221, the 201, and the 301. Now that is a trio to admire. I hope you are all well. Stay safe, have fun. Please subscribe. Adios, amigos.